How to change app icons on Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To change app icons on Android, tap and hold on your blank screen on your home screen. Tap Icons. Now you can choose the app styles. Tap Custom and change the shape. The preview appears at top of the screen. You can view and tap Apply button. Also, you can customize its shape as well, going to the same process. Scroll down and then you can tap on the icon slider and minimize the size as well. You can add up the system colors, toggling the button on. If you want to show app names, toggle the button on, otherwise you can turn it back off. You can also change the app name whether you want to keep it small or large and tap the apply button. If you want to have or customize more, you can install the third-party applications and change app icons on Android. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.